Hi, my name is Natalie Zhao. I'm a rising senior at Monte Vista High School, and this is my third and final milestone video. For my third milestone, I converted my trained and saved TensorFlow model to a TensorFlow Lite format. I imported it to my Raspberry Pi, and then I was able to run my trained model with the Python code that I wrote a week earlier. To convert TensorFlow to TensorFlow Lite, I used the TensorFlow Lite optimizing converter. To do this, I had to install MySYS v2, Bazel, and some other Python packages that are used for building TensorFlow. After running my model through the TensorFlow Lite converter, I ended up with my model in a .tf-lite format. I also had to rewrite a label map in a text format for the TensorFlow Lite format. After importing the TF-Lite file and the new label map to my Raspberry Pi via WinSCP, which is a software that allows for a remote file transfer between a local and a remote computer, I ran the TF-Lite file with my Python code that I wrote 1 week ago, and the Raspberry Pi showed a camera preview with the prediction from the model labeled above the object in the captured stream. Here's a short demo of the final result of my project. From the Raspberry Pi terminal, I run the Python file that I wrote with my trained model as a TF-Lite file, and this opens up a camera preview of the Raspberry Pi and the prediction made by my trained model, as well as the confidence interval and the time elapsed. My trained model is slower than the pre-trained TensorFlow model. However, it's still fairly accurate as shown.